Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and I hope that you're going to enjoy this. This was actually a deck that I was really keen to have in the store. It's the Dreaming Way Tarot. Now, I've actually got the Dreaming Way Lenormand, which do you think I can get my hand on a copy of it? I can't. I'll flash it up on the screen so that you can see what the Lenormand is as well. And that was my introduction. And then I realised that she'd done a tarot as well. So it was a no-brainer for me to get my hands on it. So it comes in this box. It is a US Games deck. And it says Dreamway Tarot dresses up traditional tarot with contemporary artistic flair. In this exquisite deck, stylish characters breathe new life into the scenes and symbols of the major and minor arcana. Dreaming Way Tarot offers fresh interpretations of tarot and explores numerological as well as elemental influences. So it's got this little book with it as well, the little white booklet. There's a message here from Roma Choi, who, this is her deck, about essentially her journey with tarot. And then the major, so she takes you through the cards. And there's a lot of education around the cards as well. She has taught tarot. So she puts a lot of emphasis on what the cards mean and also the reversals. She tends to suggest here that they are diluted versions rather than the opposite meaning. They are diluted versions of the upright. So you've got basically each of the suits. So you've got a lot of information on the deck. And I believe she's using Rider-Waite based as well. So let's have a look at the images. You've got a title card with it. And then we have the Fool. The card, these are all the backs. And the card quality is very good. It's not a glossy shine, but it's it's not, is it matte? Well, you can see there's a bit of a shine on it. And the Magician. She's got the Torah. This is like a modern, and she's a mama, contemporary look and feel about them. Yeah. So the Devil's almost like you're wearing a straitjacket, isn't it? Because you're so distracted by other things. The card of procrastination. I'm trying to make sure they're high enough for you to be able to see. It's the end of the story with the world. We're on to a new chapter, a new book. It's a new chapter, new book. So then we got the Pentacles. So we're following a Rider-Waite based. He's sitting and holding on to his money. So if you're brand new and you know the Rider-Waite Smith, then it's relatively straightforward for you to transfer to another deck that appeals to you visually and that holds similar scenes, because we read the scenes after a long time in the cards. That's what happens. No hands on deck. Too many cooks. He's got a chameleon on him, hasn't he? There's salamander wands, isn't it? the cups. Do let me know if you're using the deck, and if you are, what you think of it, how you're getting on with it. Now, if you wanted to speed me up or slow me down, I should have said that earlier. You have the ability to be able to do that in the settings. They're cheerful as well, aren't they? They're not quite so drastic to look at. So, Rema Choi has been professionally involved with tarot since 1997, both in teaching and reading for others. He studied transpersonal psychology at the Seoul University of Buddhism. His Zen practices, including meditation, inform his tarot lectures. The characters of tarot came to Rema Choi, I'm not sure how you say his name, sorry, in a dream. Thus he named this deck Dreaming-Way Tarot. And the artist, Kwon Shina, began her artistic career in 1997 illustrating for the Korean magazine paper. She's contributed artwork to comic books, including Nine and Cake, and comic websites such as N4 and Comics Today. Her drawings have also appeared in the film posters, calendars, and advertisements. In 2005, she illustrated Alice and the popular Korean novel My Sweet City. So they are the guys behind the deck. Okay, let me know what you think, and thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.